Anant Yardi is a celebrated pioneer of the commercial real estate automation industry. Over 30 years ago in Goleta, Yardi founded what is today one of the world's largest property management software companies. But his story begins on the other side of the world, far from the success he's created on the Central Coast. Born in New Delhi, India, Anant Yardi received his bachelor's degree from the Indian Institute of Technology. His aspirations soon took him to America to study engineering at UC Berkeley. After receiving his master's degree, Yardi moved from Berkeley to Detroit to work for the Burroughs Corporation, a manufacturer of computer equipment. It was Burroughs that first brought Yardi to the Central Coast, transferring him to the company's factory in Goleta. When the Burroughs factory closed in 1981, Yardi found himself disenchanted with corporate America and looking to make an opportunity for himself. Yardi's ownership of a few properties led him to focus his efforts on what he believed was a need in the property management industry. He began developing integrated accounting and property management software for the residential marketplace. Yardi Systems was founded in 1984 with the modest goal of bringing in enough revenue to provide reasonable salaries for 3 people. Today, Yardi Systems employs over 4,800 people in 34 countries around the world. But Yardi has proven he holds more than just the foresight and creativity to innovate. He also holds the uncommon ability to thrive in an industry that has experienced astounding technological advancements over the 3+ decades of his company's existence. Yardi's first product was for the Apple II computer and was delivered on floppy disk. Since then, Yardi Systems has remained in step with rapid technology evolutions, developing software suites, programs, and apps for Apple and Android devices. Worldwide, Yardi Systems boasts an impressive client roster. Their products are used in the Empire State Building, Freedom Tower, and the Dubai World Trade Center, as well as thousands of other commercial and residential rental properties. More than half of the top 50 property managers in the US use Yardi software. Under Anant Yardi's 32 years of leadership, revenues at Yardi Systems have only decreased for a single year, during the Y2K scare in 2000. Today, the company continues to grow at an astounding rate of 15 to 20% quarter over quarter, and is on track to eventually reach more than $1 billion in annual sales. Remarkably, Anant Yardi has never accepted outside funding of any kind for his company. He has grown the business on the simple yet rare tenet that costs must be covered by revenues. Even in times of expansion, Yardi has shunned the use of outside investors. That constant self-reflection and internal focus is shown in Anant's standing Saturday coffee meeting with Executive Vice President Gordon Morrell, longtime colleague and the company glue. Beyond self-sufficiency, Yardi Systems' success and the generosity of Anant Yardi have allowed the company to donate over $1 million to charity each year. Despite his incredible achievements, Anant Yardi has never sought acclaim or the spoils of financial success. He and his wife reside today in the same home they bought in 1978. Still, Anant's ability to remain at the helm of growth and innovation is due to a quiet competitiveness and a commitment to consistently exceed his own high standards of excellence. Thanks to the uncompromising and forward-thinking leadership of Anant Yardi, Yardi Systems continues to expand its reach in the industry with products that range from global real estate portfolio management to rental marketing and leasing platforms. Anant Yardi has more than exceeded the modest goals he began with as a boy in New Delhi, while remaining humble and true to the principles of hard work and tenacity that set him on his journey of success.